Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can choose which apps are allowed to send you notifications in the secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. Next, scroll down and tap on secure folder in the security section. Now sign in with your fingerprint or PIN or password. Next, tap on notifications and data. Then tap on app notifications. In here, go down the list of apps and select which app can send you or which app are allowed to send you notifications. So tap on the toggle button to switch them on or off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.